a unique vehicle, be sure to add it to the gallery, customoffsets.com/ad. And if you want to see less of a bearded person and more of a non-bearded person.
Yeah, that's fair, honestly.
Got you.
What's going on, guys? It's Dustin with Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. I'm back with Wilson.
That's me.
This man, performance guy, garage channel extraordinaire. Ooh. We're back with another episode of From the Gallery. So this time we've got best builds of the last 30 days. Before we do that, if you want a chance for your truck to be featured, just go ahead and over to customoffsets.com/ad, add your truck to the gallery, help the other enthusiasts know what fits, what doesn't fit, what wheels look like on their truck. Pretty simple stuff.
Right on.
Ready to do this?
Enough. Oh, yeah.
This is round 2 for you.
Yeah. I'm seasoned now.
He's seasoned.
I'm seasoned.
Seasoned like a cast iron skillet. All right, let's get started. Up first, the 2016 Ford F-150 on Fuel Tritons, 22x14. Radar Renegade ATs in a 35, 12.5, and a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. I dig this thing.
Yeah, oh yeah, I do too.
A lot. And I'm not a big, I'm gonna say this, people are gonna be mad. I'm not a big F-150 guy.
You're not an F-150
I'm not an F-150 guy. I know it's like America's truck and stuff, but it ain't my jam.
I mean, they've got the 3.5.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. Ooh, look at that light painted photo. Let's go. Sign me up. It looks like full plastic paint to match, full interior plastic paint match. He's got some SCAR speakers in there. You know a little thing about audio.
I know a little bit
you
about
know?
audio.
Kicker Comp R subs, 4 marine speakers, custom paint match tower speakers with custom welded bar, 2-inch Bilstein leveling shock, painted tough country control arms, and some drop shackles in the rear. So he's got, is he tooted a little bit maybe? Yeah, it is tooted just a little bit, but super dope, like deep red color.
Yeah.
Chrome Fuel Tritons obviously looks super dope. Instagram handle sticking out on the side there because that's all the cool kids put their Instagram stickers out back there. Yeah, I mean,
gotta let them know.
that's right. I mean, it's where mine are, so that's where all the cool kids put them. You know.
Right.
Cool. I saw some rock light action in there, and he's from the north because it's snow. Unless he's in like Tennessee or Georgia, got some snow the other day I saw.
Yeah, they were getting it all across.
It was weird, dude. It was weird. All right, ready? Rate it.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, 7.
8.9.
Whoa, 8. That's pretty good.
Dude, the audio speaks to my heart.
Okay. All right, huge audio guy. Yeah, I dig it. I don't know. I'm not a big F-150 guy, but it looks good.
I like it though. I think it all works together.
Yeah, I dig the wheel choice. 2214s and 35s. So good. Up next, 2006 GMC Sierra 1500 fuel forged FF17s on 26x16, some big boys, 38x15.5 fuel Country Hunter MTs, and a Cognito lift kit that's bigger than 12 inches is all it says, which is a massive lift kit.
Oh yeah.
This thing's super dope. So full paint match, everything in the front. dual Fox Resis in the front. Dual Fox Resis is no joke. That's wild. Powder / paint all in the front end, right? UCA's, knuckles, track bars, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, he took the time on this one.
Yeah. Ooh, I dig the inlay on the hood too. You can't see it from the ground because I'm like 4 feet tall, but I mean, it's a cool touch.
Good jump.
Yeah,
Good jump.
you know, stand on a ladder. Aftermarket headlights, grill, obviously. It's a step side.
It is, yep.
Whoa. You don't see a lot of step side trucks. That's pretty dope. I dig it a lot. McGoy's track bars in the back there. And of course, those fuel forged wheels, 26x16, plenty deep. Let's rate it.
I think I got it.
3, 2, 1, 9.
8.5.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a 9 for me, man. I dig it a lot. I'm not a step side guy.
Yeah.
Not a step side guy.
It's different.
Outside of that, I think it's super cool. You don't see a lot of step side builds. I'd like to see the mirror cap paint to match, I think. But outside of that, it's pretty wild. He's got a lot of time into this thing.
Yeah, for sure.
On the GM bandwagon, up next is an 05 Silverado 2500 HD. Fuel forged FF09s and a 24x16, Jesus. Amp Mud Terrain Attack MTs and a 40x15.5 with a 6-inch FabTech lift and then a 3-inch body lift stacked on the top. Looks like all the powder coating was done by Warriors Powder Coating, some custom interior, custom audio, cam 6-liter, 3200 stall converter, 513 gears, and 150 shot of nitrous.
I like this guy.
So this dude's like, listen, I'm gonna build a big truck, but also I wanna hurt people's feelings on the strip.
To me, that just makes sense.
Yeah, it's wild. Aftermarket front grille. I dig that front grille a lot,
Yeah, that
actually.
thing's mean looking.
I kind of want one of those. That would look super dope in my Duramax. Let me know where you got that from. I need it. Front bumper, bodyguard front bumper there, dual light bars, dual pods on the outside. He's got the RGBW in the headlights. He's got the RGBW cab lights, tow mirrors, of course. Is he on spacers? Looked like he was on spacers. 2-inch front wheel spacers. What in the hell? Dual outlet exhausts. See that in the back there? Big old tips on the back. He's got the powder match Gen Y hitch on there. This thing's cool, man. I dig it a lot.
Yeah.
I think I'm ready.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, 7.
8.7.
Dang, you
up
are
today.
just up in all of this today.
You know, I think that the black with the green for me works.
Okay.
And it's a fat tire.
Look at those dual resi shocks.
Yeah, I mean, this thing is set up, and then you're gonna put 150 shot of nitrous on it.
That's true. I forgot it was on 150 shot.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, I suck. You're right. I probably should have rated it a little higher. It's not my taste.
Right.
Right? It's not my style. And I feel like I've said that a lot today, which makes me sound really picky. I'm actually not really picky at all. I don't know. It's super dope. I dig that he made it his own. It's definitely very custom. He's got a lot of time into this thing, which is super awesome. Just not the way I would have done it, you know?
Yeah.
Up next, flipping the script a little bit, we got a 2020 Toyota Tundra, a Fuel Mavericks 24x14 minus 75, amp mud train attack MTs in a 35 13.5 and a 7-inch BDS suspension, lift kit of course. So 16 years old, paid for it himself.
That's
Good for you, man.
Yeah.
Good
16,
for
I
you.
couldn't buy ramen.
For real. I was like, we were scraping change together to go through the drive-thru at McDonald's, bro.
Dude.
Damn. Florida maybe, palm trees in the background, little shorts action, nice beach shirt, you know what I'm saying?
Definitely better weather than here.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, the reason I'm wearing a flannel, by the way, it is minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit today. It's disgusting. But we don't have hurricanes or alligators or wildfires or fire ants or alligators or snakes. Hate snakes, dude. Ooh, not my jam.
I've had it with these snakes on this plane.
Nope.
Look at dude sitting in the little dude sitting in the wheel. That's fantastic. This thing's dope though. Rock light action in there. I really dig that color quite a bit. It looks good.
Yeah, clean.
Yeah.
Clean and effective. I like that.
Simple build, right?
Yeah.
Let's rate it. 3, 2, 1, 8.5. Yeah, it's a great start, man. It looks really good. Bonus points for being 16, having it worked out. You know, good on you for making that happen. Dig the color. I'd like to see a little paint match in the front. I think would really clean that whole build up a little bit.
Yeah, I think this is an awesome starting point for him to then make that thing into a badass truck.
Correct. Yep. I mean, he's well on his way. 2414s and a
Yeah,
7-inch lifter.
for
He's
sure.
got her going on. So, last but not least is a 2014 Ford F350 Super Duty on Archon Caesars in a 26x14 amp mud train attack MTs and a 37 13.5 and an 8-inch BDS lift kit. This thing's big.
This thing's bad.
This is like almost as big as K350 was when it was here. And that's a big truck.
Yeah.
I love those things. Dual light bars in the front, little color action, pop of that red in there, matches the wheels and the mirror caps and the badging. Let's see what else he's got in here. So it's the 8-inch BDS 4-link with a Proform traction bar, Alpha Rex headlights, spike lugs, Gen Y hitch, dual 40-inch light bars, everything powder coated. I mean, this is a neat build.
Yeah.
I dig this a lot, honestly. Did like the platinum tailgate cover in that red.
Yep.
Nice big back window sticker there. Oh, it is a platy, that's why. Makes sense. Maybe I should open my eyes. Gen Y hitch, pretty neat truck overall. 26s and 37s just slaps me. That's what CO2 had on it, and that 6s and 7 things, especially when you're going like a 14 wide with a 13.5 wide tire, you get just a little bit of sidewall stretch. It's the good.
Molto bene.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, on that note, I think I'm ready if you are.
I think I'm ready on this one, yep.
Just kidding, I'm not ready. 3, 2, 1, 9.
9.
Whoa!
There it is.
Yeah, I dig it. The red maybe is a little bit too much for me, just in terms of contrast, right? Red and black are always super, super contrasty, but it looks good. I dig it.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, I think there's some things. I like the red wheels. I like all the red underneath. It could be a little bit different. I think to each their own. Right?
Yeah, I don't know that I'm sold on the Alpha X headlights either on these trucks. I really, really dig the Ford headlights. Super neat truck though. Dig the wheel and tire setup a lot. Love those amps. They're great tires, especially for the money what you pay for them. They're good options. So.
Yep.
Well, that's another episode of From the Gallery. Thank you guys so much for watching, Wilson. As always, thanks for being a part of it.
Hey, I'm glad to be here.
Make sure you drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. And of course, if you want a chance for your truck to be featured, and more importantly, get a chance to show your truck off to the world and help other enthusiasts know what fits their truck, you got to add it to the gallery. It's that simple. CustomOffsets.com/ad. Get it did.